Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make a simple design with your Pixellab application. Yes, this design is going to help you in mastering and learning how to use some of the tools on Pixellab application. So this is the actual design we are going to be making today. We'll be making this design with our Pixellab application. I want you to pay full attention to the instruction and the guidance I'll be giving, because for everybody that will be submitting this assignment, I have a special gift for everybody. It's the size of your documents of your project. So I want everybody to have the project size on 2000 pixel by 2000 pixel. So just go ahead, click on the projects formatting section, go to image size and set it to 2000 by 2000 by 2000 pixel. So once you have that set, the next thing you want to do is you want to import your background. You go to the button that allows you to import your background. You go to the button that allows you to import your background. You click on import. Now in most cases, like when you download a file from your WhatsApp, like I have just sent to each and every one of you, when you download a file from your WhatsApp, it doesn't display here when you want to select a file. So I will show you how you can open a file from your file manager. You click on this three button here. Once you click on the three button here, you click on browse. When you click on browse, so browse will take you to your phone file manager. In most cases, you just have to select, let's say you have a memory card, you have a phone memory, you have to be sure where the file is saved. So in this case, the file is saved inside WhatsApp document. So I'm going inside WhatsApp document. I just open my phone file manager. So I am looking for where my WhatsApp document is saved. So if you also save it from WhatsApp, I believe it should be in the same section as this video. So you are going to Android, then you're going to media, then you're looking for anything that has to do with WhatsApp. If you use ordinary WhatsApp, you'll be having WhatsApp, and if you use WhatsApp business, you'll be having something WhatsApp W4B. So I use WhatsApp business, then I open WhatsApp business again, then I open my media. So now it will be saved under WhatsApp business document. I didn't send it to you as a picture, I sent it as a document. So you will probably find it here under the documents. In my own case, I don't have it under the documents because my WhatsApp doesn't automatically save file to my phone until I ask it to save. So it will be in the private. You can see this is it right here. It is here in my private. So the first thing I am importing now is my background. So now I have my background. I have my background imported. So I want you to go to the sizing option. So relative size, this allows you to increase and decrease the size of an object. So you put it on 100%. Make sure it is on 100% for it to cover all the screen. Then you click on the mark icon. Now once you do that, I want you to go to this layer. I told us about layer in the first video. This layer option, I want you to lock the background we just import and delete the former new text there. I didn't delete it at first. I wanted to delete it. So my background is locked and intact. Now I have my background locked. So the next thing I want you to do is to click or tap on the screen. Then you go to import again. I want you to import the picture. The picture we are using, the person's picture we are using. This is it on the second option. So I want you to resize it. You can see this section. It is telling you to crop it to a particular taste of yours. So we are learning cropping a little bit here. You click on this one by one. So you can see it allows me to crop the excess area of that picture. So now I have just cropped it. So the next thing I want you to do is to resize it to. You can resize by using this relative resizing button or by dragging this button here. So I'll be resizing with this particular button here. Okay, good. So I want to have it like this. Now I have just placed it in a position I like now. So I want you to go ahead and lock this one too. So once you have it locked, so now let's work with the text. So the first thing I want to do is I want to import a shape as a background. So I'll be using the shape. I'm working around the shape. Now I just import a shape. Then I want to place it. Now you can crop it by compressing and expanding from both left and right. These two buttons, you can use it to crop, to expand. It is a shape, you understand? So you can crop it by doing that. You can crop it with that. So I have just cropped it to a particular taste. Then I want to change the color. Please, now we are changing the color. I will not be picking the color from this default color. I want to pick the color from the person's the person's clothes. So I'll click on this plus sign icon. I'll use my eyedropper. I explained in the first video I made that yes, when you have different things imported in your document, you can see the objects you have imported you are using, and you can select color from there. This is the background, this is the person. I think this is a text, so I'm picking the color from this person. Now take note of this thing, this button here. Use it to zoom the person's picture. Let's say you want to pick a particular color that is so tiny on the body, then I can select it again. Then I'll pick this black. This is the black I want. So the moment I have the black I want to use selected, the moment I have the black selected, I can click on this mark icon to approve it. Then I can click on OK. Now the shape has changed to black color, to a black color. So I want it to leave that face. Now let's go to our text tool. We pick up the text tool, then you click on text to import a new text. Then you change the content of the text to it's another, a capital letter I, then TS, it's another. You can say it's another. Then what I want you to do now is you're going to place the text it's another on the shape. You're going to place it on the shape we have here, it's another. Then after placing on the shape, the first thing we are doing is we are working with the fonts. I talked about fonts in my previous video, that fonts is just the typeface of your video. So for this it's another, the fonts we are using is Grand Hotel Regular. I have dropped it. Is definitely there in your Pixellab if you are using the default Pixellab you downloaded from Google Play Store. So we are using Grand Hotel Regular fonts for this particular word, Grand Hotel Regular. So it should be somewhere around here, Grand Hotel Regular. Okay, this is it here, Grand Hotel Regular. So Grand Hotel Regular. So I increase the size and place it properly on it's another. So you pick up the text tool again, then you edit, you type good day together, then make sure it is in capital letter. That is good day. I want you to pay close attention to this part of the video. Good day. So I want to align it. This is a way of aligning. I'm not using a grid line. So the first thing is I'll change the fonts. In this particular text, we are using the fonts days. Days, DAYS, days. This is it right here, days. So I have just selected it, yes. So you can see I am making sure that the left end, which is the beginning of this text, good day, and it is aligned on the same place. You understand? Now I'm going to use the position key to move it downward. Okay, I want it to be here. Now you leave it, you click on the mark button to leave it on that particular position. Now I will change the color. To black. The same color I pick from the clothes of this person. So now this is it. This place we usually have default color. When you pick a new color, it always store up to 5 new color there for you, which is new color will be store onto this section that we have this green. So you understand? So the default color you cannot change is from this red downward to the right hand side. But when I pick another color now, it will save. If you move this black to the second position, and I can save up to this five color I picked from the document, I can save up to 5. So you click on mark. To save that. So what you want to do next is you want to duplicate this good day. You want to duplicate it. So once you have it duplicated, you go to the copy option to duplicate. I have just duplicated. Then you bring it on top of this particular one. Make sure it is aligned very well. Now pay close attention to this, please. I want to remove the color. I don't want it to have any color at all. So what I will just do is for me to lower the opacity and make it transparent. Now the good day is standing there and it doesn't have any color. If I try to move it, can you see anything? You can see there is nothing there. Yeah, that is because it doesn't have any color. Now what I want to give it is an outline, a stroke. I'll activate the stroke and then I will change the color of the stroke to white. I'll change the color of the stroke to white. As you can also see, I have given the stroke a white color. So please, let's use the width of the stroke to be on 3. Then I want to reposition it. Yes, let me make use of the zoom button so that I can be sure that I am positioning it very, very well. good. So I can zoom out again. Now I am going to be duplicating the outlined good day, now let me show you something. You can see this is my layers section. This is the shape I imported. This is the it's another. I can lock that one as well. I am done working on them. The first good day I imported with black color. This is it down here, and the second one with an ordinary outline. This is it selected. This is it selected. Take note of something here again. Any selected objects, if you come to the layer section here, any object you select will be having this tiny blue line there. It means you actually select this. So now I have switched to the one bottom. I have selected it's another. Let me select the man's picture. If you look at it now, that's the selected objects in the document. So let's go back to what we are working. I want to duplicate the good deal with just an outline by clicking on copy. You can see I have just duplicated it. Now you take it on top of it, then I will use the position button to position it. I'll be moving it 6 pixels downward, and I will count the number of times so that I can lay everything equally. So I'll be moving it 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 is not enough. I'll make it 15. 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So that's 15 movements. Then I'll keep it there. Mark. I'll leave it there. I'll change the color to black. To a black. Oh, sorry, not color, the outline color. We are working on it with a stroke. So I'm changing the stroke color to black. Then I will decrease the opacity. To 25. 25 is fine. Okay, I'll make it 20. I'll make the opacity 20. Good. Now I will duplicate. Let me lock it first. So the reason for locking is when you don't lock an object, if you want to pick one, you might mistakenly pick the other one. You understand? That is why you have to lock an object, so that your hand will not mistakenly move it about. So I will duplicate this particular one with black outline, and I have decreased the opacity. Duplicate. Then I'll bring it on it again. Remember, I want to move it down again. I use 15, so I'll be counting. It is on 6 pixels downward. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. That's 15 pixels downward. Good. So I will lock it again. Now I want to achieve something again. I want you to pay very, 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 very close attention. I want to adjust the man's picture. I will go back there, unlock it so that I can be able to move it. You can see now I can move it because I have just unlocked. It. So I will start by resizing it. Now I want to take the man's picture in front of, you can see the two outlined good day that is transparent is in front of the man. Now I want to take the man's picture to the front, and I want them to be at the back. I'll go to my layer section, then I will tap and hold, like I told you, tap and hold on the man's picture. Then I will move it to the front of the good day. Okay, I can move it entirely to the front of the document. You can see now the only thing I'm moving forward to the front of this man is the first outlined, which is this one. You understand? You have to be able to differentiate which one is which one. This is what I want to achieve. Can we all see that? So once you have successfully complete your design like this, so you go ahead and export it. You save it as a picture. So you can use any of the saving option, save as image to export it. So please kindly save it as a PNG file, and make sure that the dimension, which is the quality, is saved as ultra. Please make sure you have these settings. Always make sure this setting is you make this setting before you click on save to gallery, so that the quality of your picture of the project can be awesome. So if you have a low quality, when you upload to places like Facebook, when you send on WhatsApp, or you transfer to somebody through WhatsApp, it will automatically decrease the quality, and then it will just diminish, and it will damage the quality of your work. You understand what I mean there? So you go ahead and click on save to gallery. So it is currently saving. It has been saved to my gallery, so I can find this now as a picture on my phone. Can we all see that? So this is what we are designing. It is another good day. So please listen very well to each and every step I have just taken. I have explained each and every text one after the other. I want you to listen very well, and then I want you to recreate this in a perfect way. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the class.